Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing well. So my dear children, today I'll teach you maths, and in maths we will learn non-standard units of measurement. Non-standard units of measurement. Measurement किसी चीज को measure करना, नापना. So students, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a color box. This is a color box, but how we know how much long is this? So for that we have to measure this. For measuring this we use scale. See, this is scale, and for measuring we use scale like this. See, like this we measure. Numbers are given in this scale 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 15. So we measure with the scale. And if we measure with the scale, this system is known as standard unit of measurement. This is standard unit. But today our topic is non-standard unit of measurement. So let's see what are the terms for non-standard unit of measurement. So students, in non-standard unit of measurement we use our body parts or some object for measuring the given object. Like see, I have this box, so I can measure this with my hand like this. See, like this we measure. When we measure with the hand, it is known as hand span. When we measure with the hand, this unit is known as hand span. The distance from the tip of our little finger to the tip of our thumb. From here to here. Stretch your hand. From the tip of your little finger to the tip of your thumb is known as hand span. We can measure book or table by using a hand span. See, I'll show you. See, I have this notebook and I can measure the length. Length, how much long? Kitna lamba hai? Like this. See? 1.5, okay? 1.5 long notebook. 1.5 hand span long notebook. 1.5 hand span long notebook. So the students, the distance from the tip of our little finger to the tip of our thumb make a hand span. This is hand span. So our first unit is hand span. And we students, we can also measure the table with our hand span. Okay. Now see, second, we can also measure our table with the help of cubit with our arm, and this is known as cubit, like this. Cubit, the distance from the elbow to the tip of our middle finger makes a cubit. The distance from the elbow to the tip of our middle finger is known as cubit. Okay, so we can also measure the table or wall with the help of our cubit. And the third one is foot span. And the third one is foot span. The distance from the end of our heel to the tip of the big toe is a foot span. See, the distance from the end of our heel to the tip of the big toe is a foot span. We can also measure the distance of our floor with the help of foot span. This is called 1 foot span. And cubit, from the elbow and the tip of the middle finger is known as cubit. Handspan, the distance from the tip of our little finger to the tip of our thumb is handspan. See, like this. This is handspan. So in this video, we have learned about 3 terms: handspan, cubit, footspan, and these are the non-standard unit of measurements. Students, suppose you have measured your table with your handspan. Now compare your measurement with your parents. Ask them to measure the table with handspan and observe, is your answer and their answer is same? No. Can you know why? Because that the length of handspan is not the same for everyone. Everybody having the different handspan. So these are known as non-standard unit of measurement. These measurements are different for everyone. That's why they are known as non-standard unit of measurement. So students, one homework for you, you have to draw these non-standard unit of measurement in your scrapbook and write their names also and send me the picture. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.